Steve from EstateMax here, coming to you from the community of Waterside, just to the north end of Frederick. We have an estate sale for you, 2 days only, November 3 and 4. Several vehicles will be in this sale as well, including this Honda Odyssey. And this Ford GT, souped up. I think it's got a supercharger and custom brakes and everything. This will be in the sale as well. Again, November 3rd and 4th. These vehicles are all in great shape. And not to be left out, this Dodge Ram medium-sized chassis truck will be in the sale as well. Again, we're in Waterside, November 3 and 4, 2 days only. Again, everything in this video is for sale. I'll try to give you a snapshot so you can see what's happening ahead of time. Nice little oak dining set with a leaf built into it. Looks like light to medium oak to me. Really cool stereo featuring Bose 501 speakers and a JVC receiver, among other things. In the family room, nice leather sofa. Entertainment console with the TV, it's a Sanyo big screen. Nice little blanket chest. Shoes are size 9.5 men's. That is a great Dyson Cyclone vacuum. That's a Cyclone vacuum. Coming into the living room. This is a pretty piece. You can see the note, the pull-out shelf. Like the coffee table. Nice double beam balanced scale and workout equipment in the basement, including your own massage table, bicycle, and a universal gym, a bicycle trainer, little media room, and some Christmas. Golf clubs, utility room things. There's a heater and some fans. Some older furniture. And we have LP albums at the bottom of this music system. Do like that green leather sofa. Okay, now we're on the second floor in an office. File cabinets in multiple locations. Cool modular computer desk with a printer and a couple sets of bookcases. In the master bedroom suite, looks like a king bed to me. The armoire, another media system. Pretty set of drawers with mirrors. In the guest bedroom, looks to be a queen. By the headboard, give you the mattress and box spring for free. Nice. Again, this is Steve from EstateMax for Lori, saying we'll see you in Waterside, which is right between Walkersville and Frederick, Maryland. Super easy to get to right off of Route 26. We'll be there November 3rd and 4th for 2 days only. Real neat house, compact stuff. Easy in, easy out, no problems parking. Lots of interesting stuff. Address to be announced on estatesales.net on the day before the sale.